So my hair is still drying right now. I washed it, so it's still kind of damp in the back. Act Acre shampoo and conditioner. I've only been using Act Acre products now for just over 3 months. I literally have not put anything else on my hair. So the first thing I'll say a little bit on my hair history is that I've had a really hard time with my hair in the past. I had a lot of hair loss, and I recovered from that before I started using these products. However, I still want to keep my hair as healthy as possible because, you know, I don't want that to ever happen again. And if you want to hear about my hair loss, then you can check the description and I'll have the video there of, like, I show videos of when I had, you know, had lost a lot of hair, when I finally felt like comfortable getting on camera. I don't know, again, I was originally just documenting it for myself to see how much healing and hair health I could gain. So anyway, that video is in the description. Now, to get into the review, I do want to say that the cold pressed Scalp Detox I've been using for maybe like 2 years now. And then recently this little guy, which is the gua sha that they sell, and you just kind of, it just feels amazing, and it helps distribute the oils better into your scalp so that you don't have to keep it on your head as long. This is also just great for, I think, gifts, especially if you're gonna like gift someone the Scalp Detox, to like just get this to go with it. And my husband loves this. I'll like do it to his hair once a week, and he, you know, it's really romantic. But yeah, everyone loves to get the scalp treatment done, and I really do recommend that, and that's what I've been using for, like I said, probably 2 years now. So about a little over 3 months ago, have been only using the scalp cleanse, the hair cleanse, and then the hair conditioner. So both of these are all vegan, color safe, paraben free, sulfate free, gluten free, cruelty free, silicone free, and that's fantastic. So they smell like, they both have ylang ylang. Am I saying that right? And then the conditioner has amaranth, lavender, and rosemary, while this one has moringa, rosemary, and lavender. I could be pronouncing all of this wrong. Either way, they smell amazing. They smell to me kind of like, I'm just gonna smell it. It smells very clean, a little bit like a spa and a spring day. That sounds lovely. Yeah, like an outdoor spa on a spring day. Ooh, that sounds like a lovely time. This one too. This one, the conditioner is a little bit more earthy, I think, but in a good way. You know, I feel like I smell organic. In the beginning, I was like, ooh, I just don't know. My hair doesn't feel very clean. So I went on their website and I looked, and it did say that you need to give your hair some time to adjust. So the first couple of washes, I really wasn't sure, so I actually reached out to them and asked, like, hey, my hair doesn't feel very clean. Am I using too much product or too little? And then they assessed that I was most likely using not enough shampoo. So I started to double cleanse, pump the cleanser in your hand, really get it emulsified, even add a little bit of water, and then start to distribute so you really get a nice sudsy lather. That definitely helped, I think, distribute the product better into my hair. And of course, like double cleansing, especially on scalp detox days, I always do that, and that made a huge difference. And now I feel like my hair definitely gets very clean after I cleanse my hair. I just like having products that I know aren't going to be, oh, Sterling's back, they're not damaging to me. I can keep my volume. It's the next day, and this is how my hair is finished air drying. It's just brushed out a little bit, and you're gonna try out their products, I would say really commit to using them, because if you keep going back between like generic, cheaply made shampoos with silicone sulfates, and then you go back to Act Acre, you're gonna kind of have that cleansing period again of getting rid of all of the product buildup on your strands and in your scalp. So you might kind of go through a phase of not loving your hair at first, or you feel like, oh, it's not really working, I don't have the best hair. So give yourself a full commitment to the shampoo, or I should say the hair cleanse and the conditioner. I just want to finish off by saying that for me, you know, a big factor is that I'm not having to spend money on hair treatments at the salon. I don't have to buy a weekly mask to do in my hair. Of course, it doesn't look, you know, like it's been heat styled, but it hasn't. But I think over time, my natural hair will continue to improve. You know, this hair down here hasn't really been treated that well over all the years from just the generic shampoo and conditioners I've been using. I personally find it very worth it. I think it's a investment in yourself, and it's just another part of like self-care. I want my hair to be as thick and as healthy for as long as possible, and maintaining a youthful scalp will ensure that that's happening. And then of course using quality conditioners to, you know, cleanse the hair of any kind of buildup that just happens naturally from day-to-day stuff. Just link them in the description box and you can look down there. Either way, I think it's worth it, but my last tip of advice would be whenever I travel, I always take it with me, and I really feel like that's helped kind of progress my process in getting my natural hair to its best state without having to use any styling creams or anything. Right, so here's the hair cleanse and hair conditioner, and the gua sha with the Scalp Detox, which I'm running low on. Definitely need to get some more of that. And then the last thing is the plant-based dry shampoo. Now they have other stuff, but I just haven't tried it yet, but I do plan on it eventually. But I think, you know, for the essentials, I would say those are my essentials. Maybe that's because that's all I have, but. All right, I'm going to head out. Hopefully this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, I think, if you want. It's up to you, no pressure. I'll see you next time, bye.
It's gross.
Oh, my eyes. Are you ready?
Yeah. So much.